Have you ever asked yourself if it is possible to make a pair of cute shoes for Barbie or her family yourself? Have you ever asked yourself why there were no Cork sandals for Francie? Is it possible to make Cork sandals yourself for Francie or Ken?
I'm Busy Bee from Germany and welcome to my channel.
Being a Barbie collector for almost 25 years and being a Barbie dog for almost 10 years, this channel is more than just your one-stop Barbie repair workshop. Today we don't do a repair, but go on an unexpected time travel. Why time travel? Because I did not just copy the sandals, but I also found some interesting aspects along the way. I experimented in the last week with a little bit of Cork. I was asked several months ago if I could make shoes on my channel. Yes, I can try it. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried to do shoes for Barbie, Francie or the family and what kind of material you used in the comments below. What I learned along the journey is that the right material has an impact on the result. Too thick cork and you can't cut it. I used here 1mm cork. I ordered it online, used a super sharp and soft 8B pencil, and I took the model just by setting the foot on the cork map and then outlined it with my pencil and then cut 2 pieces for every side. 1mm is very thin and the only possibility to attach a strap is to take 2 soles for the production. I think that's why they used 2 soles for every sandal when they did it for Mattel. My idea was there were no Cork sandals for Francie. Why were there no sandals for Francie? Maybe they were too expensive. Barbie only had 1 pair of Cork sandals, but they are harder to make because of the shape of her feet. For cutting the cork you need extreme sharp knives and a lot of patience. You have to go over your model with the sharp X-Acto knife several times before getting the sole out. I admit cutting the curves is relatively hard when you want to do 2 equal soles. So this project is more a begin. This video is by no means the perfect result. Consider it more than an experiment, maybe an explorative journey, and the result is anything than perfect. You see here more prototypes of my idea. It's not yet the final result, so I am sure I will continue this project in the future. Just had the right idea who to ask to get more professional results. When you ever wanted to know why the original Ken sandals have plastic straps, I can tell you the secret that plastic is probably easier to handle than the straps I use here made out of fabric. I used here the hang tag from my clothes. My last pyjama had so long hangers I was annoyed and then cut them out. That's where the hang tag came from. You have lots of material to experiment with. Don't cut the straps too short for the sandals. Then you don't get the foot into the sandal later. That's the only thing you have to keep in mind. Rather, too long is not such a problem as too short. You can fix the too short, not so easy. So the glue I use here is normal liquid glue like you get it in every supermarket. It's no special glue, it's normal glue. Use what you have at home. I always let this dry for at least 1 hour and then attach the other part of the strap to the sandal and the sole, and then put a little piece of paper between the 2 soles for a better stabilization, like they would do it on human shoes too when you have a good shoe quality. My first prototypes were very flexible and I wondered what I had forgotten. Since the original sandals were not flexible, they are stiff. You can't move them in any direction. That's how I came up with the inlay sole. I don't understand why they did not any sandals for Francie. They are so cute. I hope my video will serve those of you who probably don't have the experience how to do it. My video will serve those of you who don't have the courage to do it. Just go, let me guide you. There's always a way to save your fashion dolls. I have tons of videos sure to cover any problem from the first 40 years of Barbie, and additionally we go on historic explorations like on this episode. I hope you like the result, even if it's not perfect yet, but this is not the final result, it's just a prototype stage for my idea that you just saw. I also experimented with thicker cork, but the problem with thicker cork is that this stuff is too hard to cut it. The outline was not perfect, and then I ordered the 1mm cork. Better, but not perfect yet. I hope you like this little video with the idea how to make cute shoes for Barbie and her family. I hope you have learned something along the way. Maybe you want to test this yourself. Question of the day is, do you like Ken's cork sandals? Or let me know if you like this idea in general. Thanks for watching. I hope we see each other in the next weeks. You share, like and subscribe my videos. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!